Good morning, good evening mga idol. Today, we have the taking. First, do we have it taking to your Fred and Cathy? And Cathy boys. Fred and Cathy 95 and the veterans of 95 newest livery of your Fred and Cathy Trans and 18 and the wasn't of the Fred and Cathy of Daewoo BH119. Bakit kaya magadalagang bus edition? 09 and 915. Ito pa yung Mercedes-Benz hubcaps. What's your next week? Mga idol, what's this is logo of 95. What this is 18. And watch this for your watch subscribers for Mr. Ronel Baspedix and Spotting and what your assessment mga idol ha. Kaya kaya po yung isa ilagay ng mga Dewo logo wings na tawagin in Alfred. Alam natin yung mga Hyundai na veterans, luma na Hyundai Aerospace, Daewoo, yung mga Latour, Michokoy, yung mga operator na may Disjado Ara, operated by Fred Gary, hayan, nakuha nila sa JR Remando mga idol, dating mga formers ng JR Remando. Please subscribe and live of Fred and Cathy 95 only mga idol. Salamat.